Fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Academy Award-nominated actor Edward Norton and the star of the brilliant new Apple TV series, The Studio, it's Seth Rogen.
Light applause.
I'd say that's a smattering.
Take your minds to Holland.
If you would.
The late 1940s, a little boy sits on the grass, spinning a wheel, completely fascinated, and later, noticing his love of wheels, his father buys him books about machines and inventions. But in the mind of Gerard Hooft, deeper ideas are whirling, and he tells his father, I want to find something new in nature.
A wheel, if you don't know, is a very symmetrical shape. You can spin it, you can flip it, and it looks the same. As he grows up, Gerard glimpses symmetries in the living world too, like the petals of a flower.
As a budding physicist, though, Gerard enters a field full of beautiful mathematical symmetries. Hinting at deeper mysteries, the most tantalizing symmetry connects two forces of nature. One force carries electricity and magnetism, and the other ignites the reactions that power the sun. Could they be different reflections of the same underlying force? That would mean a revolution in physics. But if they are the same force, why do they look so different?
Imagine, if you would, a wheel perched at the top of a curve, a perfectly symmetrical picture. But then the wheel loses balance. Now it has to choose a side to roll down, right or left.
But that would break the symmetry.
It would, yes.
And physicists start to wonder, what if it's the same for the two forces? In the first instance of creation, they were united, and then the symmetry broke, and then the single force split into two.
It's an elegant theory, one that we ourselves wrote. But when they try to use it to make predictions, it churns out utter nonsense. Until Gerard Hooft makes a breakthrough. At just 24 years of age, he tames the unruly mathematics and proves that broken symmetry makes sense.
Broken symmetry becomes the foundation of the modern theory of the universe. And when the Higgs particle that we talked about earlier is finally found, whirling around in the great circle of the CERN accelerator, it vindicates the theory and reveals how symmetry broke in the instance after the Big Bang.
Since then, Hoft's ideas and his mastery of symmetry have illuminated hidden wheels and gears across the breadth of physics, from the surface of black holes to the core of the atom, and the boy who dreamed of discovering something new in nature has advanced our knowledge of the universe as much as any physicist in the last half-century.
For his fundamental insights into gauge theory and the Standard Model,
the special breakthrough prize in fundamental physics goes to Gerard Hooft.
Well, the advice I want to give to new generations of scientists is that breakthroughs are still possible. There will be many of them in the future. And now, if the old folks say that they prove something, that something cannot be done, then my advice is don't believe them. Check it out yourself. But only use arguments that you fully understand. You will need courage. But that's what it takes to make breakthroughs. Tonight you've seen many examples where this attitude was really essential. Thank you.